Hey guys, this is Anthony from Old Vintage Guys and Their Bikes. We're here in Tazewell, Virginia, located here in Tazewell, Virginia, and we are the finest motorcycle shop in Virginia. Right now, we're at the back of the Dragon Welcome Center with a 1999 Buell Lightning carbon fiber edition. Only ever 250 of these ever made by Buell. This is number 160 of 250. This bike has less than 13,000 actual miles. It was bought new in Texas, stayed in Texas till 2007, and Virginia the rest of its life. The carbon fiber I refinished on this bike, all pieces, including the gas tank shell, the windscreen, front fender, and chin fairing. This bike is a 1200cc beast. Eric Buell, he got a lot more out of a Harley motor than Harley ever thought they could. It's got a full Megs exhaust, huge intake as you can see. On the other side, it had the optional external Buell oil cooler added to it, so 3 expensive add-ons. Try to catch this Buell and the carbon in the different light here. This carbon fiber, as you know, kind of changes colors depending on what angle you look at it. It's gorgeous. Show you the gas cap so you can see that this is number 160 of 250. Again, collector's item, collector's item, collector's item. Yes, that blue frame is part of the package, blue frame and wheels, part of the stock package on this motorcycle. It's extremely fast. This was Eric Buell, who was an engineer for Harley. Harley wanted to get into the sport bike market, so bought half of his company. So this is the only true American-made sport bike that was sold in the United States at the time. Of course, you know, you could have bought these at a Harley shop. Most of them were sold at Harley dealerships. I'm trying to zoom in on the front windscreen. You may or may not be able to make out the Pegasus icon that is so common to Buells. That is actually weaved into the carbon fiber. Impressive. This bike, again, it is not a beginner's bike. Please don't consider it that. It is not. It is too fast for a beginner. Too powerful, full of torque, as most engines are, but this one even gets more. I added new tires, primary oil, engine oil has all been changed. The belt is like new. Brake pads, everything works as it should, almost as good as new. From 2007, I'm going back to the history, from 2007 to 2020 when I purchased the bike was in storage in a fella's garage. He never rode it. He bought it straight out of Texas and never rode it. Amazing. This is a great machine. Contact me. Again, this is Old Vintage Guys and Their Bikes in Tazewell, Virginia. Asking price on this one, $4,000. Very reasonable, $4,000 for a collectible bike. Let me know what you think if you're interested. 276-970-3062. I will post this up on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a safe ride.